Hello everyone, I am Chanchal Parakh. I am pursuing MBA at Poddar Management and Technical Campus. I am a president of Literary and Management Club. It is a pleasure to be part of this platform where we learn, grow together. My 2-year MBA journey has been full of learning and experiences. I attended 1-week training program at Ford School of Management, Delhi, which gave me practical exposure to management and corporate culture. I also participated in Manthan, an inter-college competition, and InnoFest, a national level event where I learned about founder journeys, startups, and fundings. Along with this, I had industry visits to Parle-G, Jaipurix, and Bella Casa, which helped me to understand real business operations and management practices. Overall, this MBA journey helped me improve my confidence, my communication skills, and my professional skills. Thank you.
Poddar Group of Institutions